welcome to today's session. We are looking at Utme Mathematics 2015, and we're starting from question number one. Question number one says, how many sides has a regular polygon having one of its interior angles to be 150 degrees? So how many sides has a regular polygon having one of its interior angles to be 150 degrees? Okay, so under polygon, this is under polygon. Under polygon, all you need to know is this: you need to know that sum of angle in a polygon, in a regular polygon, please, is n minus 4 bracket 180, n minus, let's say 2n minus 4, 2n minus 4 bracket 90, or n minus 2 bracket 180. Is the same thing, is the same formula. So you need to know this formula, sum of angle in a polygon. And then also, you know, this is an example of a polygon. Let's say you have this, you have something like this. Let me clean it up. You have something like this. Not so regular though. So if you have this angle here, this is an exterior angle, let's say it's theta, and then this one you have in here is the interior angle. Let me call that one alpha. Are you getting it? So in this question is telling us that if one of the interior angle is 150 degrees, we should calculate the number of sides. Then another formula to note here is that interior angle plus interior angle equals to what? 180 degrees. It's obvious because this is an angle on a straight line. You know that the interior angle, one of the interior angle plus the exterior angle sum up to what? 180 degrees. That is to say, alpha plus theta is equals to what? Equals to 180 degrees. All right, so that's another formula to note under polygon. Another formula to note under polygon is that your number of sides say n equals to 360 divided by the exterior angle. So you must have this handy. In essence, this is actually the formula that you need to solve this question number one. Okay, another formula to note here, let me write them in full. Another formula to note is each interior angle of a regular polygon, if the size is given, is equals to n minus 2 bracket 180 degrees divided by n. Okay, or your 2n minus 4 to 90 degrees divided by n, depending on which one you're choosing to use from here and here. So these are the various formulas that you need to have handy when you have to solve any questions on a polygon. So most of the questions that you find would revolve around this. Now let me go to next page to solve this for you. All right, so I have the interior angle. Let me say interior angle. Let the interior angle be theta. Let the interior angle be what? Be theta. Okay, which is equal to 150 degrees. Okay, the exterior angle now. So the theta plus the exterior angle, don't forget, equals what? 180 degrees. So what that means is your exterior angle equals to 180 degrees, minus 150 degrees, which is what? 30 degrees. Okay, which is 30 degrees. That's your exterior angle. Now your formula number 3, which says that your number of sides of a regular polygon is equals to 360 degrees over the exterior angle, which is equals to 360 divided by 30. So this gives you 3 in 6, 36 is 12. So that gives you 12 sides. 12 sides. So the number of sides are what? Are 12. So your answer is A. Your answer is what? Is A. All right. Next question. The next question, question number 2. You have solved the inequality 1 over 2x less 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3 greater than 1 over 3x plus what? Plus 1. So you have 1 over 2x 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3 greater than 1 over 3x plus what? Plus 1. Okay. All right. This is inequality. So we are told to solve the inequality this. But while you're solving it, you just assume you're not seeing this. Okay, you just assume you're not seeing it. You treat it as if it's inequality. So when you're done, you now replace it with the right equation back. So this is the same thing as x over 2. You have, this is the same thing as x over 2 plus 1 over 3. And this is x over 3 plus what? Plus 1. Okay, so you can simplify this further to be, this is the LCM here is 6. So you got 2 in 6, you have 3, you have 3x plus 3 in 6, you have 2. So you have 2, and then this is greater than, you can maintain it. The LCM here is 3, then you have x plus 3. So this is equivalent to 3x plus 3 over 6, and then so you just cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you got 3 into 3x plus 2, which is greater than 6 into x plus what? Plus 3. So this is equivalent to 9x plus 6 is greater than 6x plus 18. Okay, so you have, just collect or take the like times. So we'll have this to be 9x minus 6x greater than 18 minus 6. So you have this to be equals to 9x minus 6x. You have 3x. Let me write that clearly. So this is plus, right? So we have minus rather. So we have 3x to be greater than 18 minus 6, you have 12. So let me move to, so we have 9x minus 6x greater than 18 minus 6. So this is equals to 3x greater than 12. Then x is greater than 12 over what? Over 3. Okay, so x is greater than 12 over 3 is what? Is 4. X is greater than 4. Okay, so if you look at your option, you have x less than 6, x less than 7, x greater than 4, x less than 4. So the answer is s is greater than 4. That's C is your answer. The next question, question number 3. Given u which is equals to even numbers between 0 and 30. P is multiple of 6 between 0 and 30, and Q is multiple of 4 between 0 and 30. Find P union Q. So we're given a universal set of U, which is even number between 0 and 30. Okay, so U is even number between 0 and 30. So your U is essentially equals to even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 to 30. That's our U. And then our P is multiple of 6 between 0 and 30. So the multiple of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. And then multiple Q is multiple of 4 between 0 and 30. So multiple of 4 between 0 and 30 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. All right. So the question says we should find the P union Q complement. P union Q complement. P union Q prime. So the first thing we need to know is we need to know our P union Q first of all. Then we'll now look at the complement of P union Q. So the complement of P union Q is the elements present in the universal set but not present in the P union Q. So you have this to be equals to, let's get the P union Q. P union Q, which will be equals to P union Q. We have 4, 6, 8, 12. We need to combine P and Q. That's what P union Q means. 12, 16, 18, 20, 24, 28, 30. Okay, these are the P union Q. So the elements that are in this universal set but not in this set is our P union Q complement. P union Q complement is therefore 2, 10, 14 is also missing. 14 is not here. 14, 22, 26. That's all. So the numbers that are in the universal set but not in the P union Q are the what? P union Q complement. All right, so if you look at your options, you have 2, 10, 14, 22 and 26. So your answer is D.